Hello folks, Rodney here. I decided to do this little short video, and I wanted to say thank you to someone, somebody that I met down at the South Florida drone meetup. Really great guy. Some of you know him already. He asked that he remain anonymous, so I will honor that. But I just want to thank him for the generous gift. He gave me this ball cap, he gave me a GoPro 10, and he also gave me a DJI wireless mic system. He said he didn't have a need for them anymore, and he passed them on to me. And I just want you to know that I appreciate it, brother. And I really love the drone community. And this is one of the reasons why. Anyway, folks, there's a video coming following this. It's just a video of me flying around the church. And, well, actually, I'm not even at the church there. I'm at the Richmond County Fairgrounds with Dano. I'll be droned. So, enjoy the video, and we'll catch you later. Love y'all. Bye now.